Welcome to episode 49 of Wordsmith's Corner. In many European countries, when someone sneezes, those around spontaneously say, "God bless you." But why? The story involves plagues, superstitions, and a pope. In the 6th century, a devastating plague swept through Europe. Sneezing was seen as an early symptom of the plague. Pope Gregory I ordered people to say "God bless you" when someone sneezed, as a quick prayer for protection against imminent death. But humans blessed sneezers long before that. The Romans would say, "May Jupiter preserve you," if one sneezed. Some ancient cultures believed that a sneeze could accidentally expel your soul from your body. The blessing offered protection. Different cultures have fascinating variations. For instance, in Arabic-speaking countries, they say Alhamdulillah, praise be to God, while Russians say Bud Zdorov, be healthy. Today, saying the post-sneeze "bless you" has largely lost its supernatural links and is more of a social nicety at best. Yet it's fascinating that this little phrase has survived centuries of medical and scientific advancement. It persists as a linguistic fossil from our superstitious past. So the next time someone says "God bless you" after you sneeze, accept it with a gentle smile. Bye.